Sino po ang nagsimba kahapon? We had a tragic story in the first reading yesterday. Naboth had a land. Ahab, the king, wanted the land of Naboth. But Naboth said, "Pardon me, I cannot give away or sell my ancestral land. Minana ko pa po ito sa aking mga ninuno at itong ipamamana ko sa aking mga anak at apo. Pagpaumanhin po ninyo, hindi ko pwedeng ibenta sa inyo ang lupa." And then Ahab went into tantrum. He did not eat, he did not sleep. And Jezebel, the wife of Ahab, said, "Why? What's happening?" And Ahab said to his wife, "Naboth would not want to sell me or give me his land." Sabi ni Jezebel, "Ang hina mo naman, no? Ako gagawa ng paraan." So ginawa niya ng paraan, ipinapatay niya si Naboth. I purposely did not say anything about the first reading yesterday because it was a incomplete story. Natapos sa pang-aapi. Now, I want us to reflect on the first reading. What is the first reading all about? It's about God seeing what is happening. Nakita niya ang ginawang pang-aapi ni Ahab. It is God acting on behalf of the demands of justice. Sabi niya, sinabihan niya si Elijah, "Pumunta ka kay Ahab, sabihin mo sa kanya, yari ka sa akin." Well, of course, not in those words. But here you see, we are being reminded that God sees everything. Even our most secret acts, even our most secret sins, God sees everything. God waits. He waits for the right time. And third, God will act according to the demands of justice. Alam niyo, kuminsan, yan na lang mga iniisip ko no? May araw din kayo. Di ba? Kasi kuminsan, titignan natin ang lipunan. Bakit kung sino pa yung mga nagnanakaw, kung sino pa yung mga gumagawa ng masama, kung sino pa yung pumapatay, kung sino pa yung mga nag-uutos pumatay, yung ba parang nakakakawala? At yung inosenteng walang ginawa, yung pa ang nakulong, yung pa ang napatay, yung pa ang nawalan. Nasaan ang katarungan ng Diyos? Yan, kumisan, siguro ang mga tanong natin. But in the first reading of today, the Lord is reminding us, kita niya lahat. Kita niya lahat at kikilos siya sa tamang panahon. God sees everything. He waits and acts. Amen.